Hey everyone, welcome back to the WinQT AI channel. First things first, you need to head over to Leonardo AI. I've conveniently left the link in the description below so you can check it out later. Once you're there, sign up for an account. Just click on Create Account and follow the steps. In this video, I will guide you through the functions of the Canvas Editor in Leonardo AI. To begin, we need to go here and click on Canvas Editor, or scroll to the bottom and click on Canvas Editor. Now that we're in the Canvas Editor, this is the space where we'll be making our edits. Next, we can select the size of the canvas. I will choose the size 768x 1024. Now I want to introduce all the tools of the Canvas Editor, but to do that, we need an image. We'll click here where it says Upload Image, and there are 5 options: your uploads, your generation, collection, community feed, and follower feed. In this example, I'll choose Community Feed, and this will open the community feed with all the latest images. Scroll down until you find an image you need. Once you've found an image, click on it, and as you can see, it has been imported into our canvas. However, we can't see the entire image because it's zoomed in. You can click on the minus button to zoom out until we see the whole image, or we can adjust the image to fit perfectly within the frame. To do this, we'll click on the Select option on the left, then click on the image and make it smaller until it fits within the frame. Okay, now that the image is in the frame, we can zoom in again and even increase the size a little until it touches the top of the frame. Now I'll guide you on how to edit the image using AI. In this example, let's create a waterfall with more water. First, we need to click on Draw Mask, which allows us to highlight the area where we want the AI to make changes. We'll highlight the area where we want to create the waterfall. Then we'll type the command Create a Waterfall with More Water into the command bar below and click Generate. We'll have 4 different versions to choose from, and I'll select the first one because it matches exactly what I was looking for. So we've created an image with just a simple command. The next tool is the Erase tool. Now I want to erase a specific part of the image, so I'll click on Erase. This tool provides an eraser brush, and we can erase anything we brush over. We can also change the brush size and select which elements can be erased, such as images, sketches, or masks, or leave it in the mode to erase everything. Now I want to erase the area I need to, so I'll just start brushing over it until it's completely erased. Now it's time for you to create based on your idea. Suppose I want to create a flowering tree where I erase the area. I'll type Create a Flowering Tree here into the command bar and click Generate. Again, we'll have 4 images to choose from, and you select the one you like the most. Here's the sketching option. But to get better results, you'll need to change the canvas mode, which I'll guide you through in a moment. You can also add text to the image by clicking on Text. This will open all the options at the top of the screen, where you can choose the font, text size, and color. Once everything is set up, you just click where you want to insert the text and start typing. If you don't like something, you can click Undo to go back to the previous step. You can also erase the entire canvas history by clicking on Clear Canvas History and download your work by clicking the download arrow. Next, let's take a look at the options here. Here you can see the Leonardo AI model you're using. There are many models to choose from, each specializing in a specific type of image generation. You just need to find the model that suits the work you want to do. Note that here I've switched the model from Leonardo Diffusion XL to the DreamShaper V7 model. Then we have different canvas modes, each suitable for a specific type of editing. First is Text to Image, which allows you to create an image from text. Next is In Paint, Out Paint, which allows you to edit specific parts of an image. Then there's Image to Image, which allows the AI to look at another image and make similar changes to your image. Finally, there's Sketch to Image, which lets you sketch what you want to create, and the AI will generate an image based on your sketch. Now I'll guide you on how to use the other modes of the Canvas Editor. First, we need to click on Canvas mode and select Sketch to Image. Now the AI will better understand the sketches we'll draw. Suppose I want the AI to create a rock on the grass. I'll click on Sketch, adjust the brush size, and select a color from the palette. I can also click on a color in the image, and it will automatically import that color into the brush. Now I'll draw a rock. Then I'll type Create a Large Rock into the command bar and click Generate. And as you can see, the AI has created a rock based on my sketch. I think this image is the most suitable, so I'll choose it. And with just a few simple strokes, we've created a beautiful image. You can download it for use in your project. Now, I'll guide you on how to use the image-to-image mode. We'll go to Canvas mode and select Image to Image. Next, we'll scroll down and find Control Net and turn it on. Here we have four options: Pose to Image, Edge to Image, Depth to Image, and Pattern to Image. We can also adjust the impact of Control Net on the final result by choosing one of these options. To start, I'll choose Pose to Image, which means the AI will recognize the pose in the image we upload and keep that pose in the new image we want to create. Now I'll upload an image from the community and select one I like. I'll adjust the size to fit the frame. As you can see, the girl in the image is facing straight ahead. You can choose an image with the subject facing right or left, and the AI will recognize and keep this pose in the new image. Then I'll type the command Create a Modern Girl and click Generate. You can see the result here. I like the second image, so I'll select it. Now I'll move on to the Edge to Image option. This option will recognize the edges of the image and keep them in the new image. We'll repeat the steps by selecting an image. Here, I'll choose an image from the community to import into the canvas. Then, I'll adjust the size of the image to fit the frame. You can see this image has clear edges, and the AI will recognize and keep these edges. Then, I'll type Create a Female Queen with a crown on her head and click Generate. And as you can see, the result has retained the edges from the original image. Next is Depth to Image. This option will recognize the depth in the image and keep it in the new image. We'll clear the canvas history, then I'll choose an image from the community and adjust the size to fit the frame. This image is of a man working. You can see the depth, and the AI will maintain the depth of the scene in the new image. I'll type the command Robot Guy and click Generate. And as you can see, the AI has maintained the depth of the scene in the new image. If you want an image tailored to your preferences, you can adjust the parameters, and of course, you'll need to experiment a few times to get the desired result. Finally, I'll guide you on how to use Pattern to Image. This option will recognize the patterns in the image and keep them in the new image. I'll choose an image from the community and adjust the size to fit the frame. This image has very clear leaf patterns on the ground, and the AI will retain these tones in the new image. I'll type the command Create a Colorful Painting and click Generate. And as you can see, the AI has preserved the patterns from the original image in the new result. You may need to experiment a few times to achieve the best result. Good luck, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get the latest videos.